let me give some kudos to you, Leslie. You've been indefatigable on this issue from when I first met you in the 90s, and you're one of the main reasons so many more people have health care. And of course, I want to take off my hat to Speaker Pelosi. I don't think anyone, any elected official worked harder to get this done than this fine speaker. So let me thank her as well. And I'm excited, to celebrate this great anniversary, how far our healthcare laws come, and the healthcare expansion. I'm sure Nancy has outlined it. We fought for in the American Rescue Plan. It's been quite a journey, but all those who predicted the demise of the ACA, that it would be a flop substantively, that it would be a flop politically, are absolutely wrong. ACA is better, stronger, wider, bigger than ever. And we all know what's happened. When you don't have health care, it's a nightmare in your life. A nightmare when you're healthy because you worry, and a nightmare, of course, when you're ill. But now millions of Americans have gained access to health care, and amazingly, 135 million Americans who have pre-existing conditions, asthma, diabetes, cancer, can't be denied coverage or dropped by their insurance companies. So this has been life and death for millions of people. They don't know who they are, and we don't know who they are. But there are millions of people walking the street who would not be on this earth if not for ACA. I'd like to talk about someone in my state, New York, Penny Fryman. She's from West Hempstead on Long Island. She was born with a neurological disorder. She was bound to a wheelchair attached to a feeding tube. And she and her family know without ACA, she wouldn't be here. 500,000, and with 500,000 lives lost to COVID in the last year, and millions more dealing with the side effects, the horrible side effects, which we hear all the time of this evil virus. It's even more critical we have to fight people with pre-existing conditions, because now there's a whole new pre-existing condition that millions of Americans have. So that's why Democrats feel so strongly that we have to build on the foundation of ACA with ARP, the American Rescue Plan. It includes the most significant healthcare expansions in a decade. Expanding coverage, lowering costs, improves the ACA's premium subsidies by increasing their value and allowing middle-class Americans to receive them as well. Under the ARP, a family of 4 earning $75,000 has their premiums cut in half. And an individual making $18,000 sees their premiums drop to 0. There's also $15 billion in incentives for the non-expansion states. This is particularly important to us in the Senate in Georgia, where a non-expansion state, where this was a big issue in the campaign. This is one of the 3 or 4 top issues that helped us take back the Senate. So we feel an obligation to make sure it happened. We all know the Republicans keep trying to kill the ACA. They don't get it. They don't see how much the public likes it. I think they've tried 70 times, but we're alive and well, and their efforts to kill it fail. And now it's even better. Trump campaigned against ACA and he wanted to eliminate it. President Biden, our ally, is wasting no time in reversing all these bad Trump measures. So there's more work to do, but we can proudly say not only is ACA alive and well, but it's bigger and better than ever. I look forward to working with the Speaker, with you, Leslie, and with all Americans to continue that positive movement as we go forward.